to fix YouTube library option not showing. So if you want to fix the YouTube library option not showing, then first let's open up the YouTube application. And once you open up your YouTube, now here on the bottom right, you will have the profile option, right? But if you want the library option, then what you need to do is you should uninstall the updates on your YouTube, because the profile option is the newest update. So if you have updated your YouTube application, then you will not have an option of the library. But if you want to get the library option, you can simply go for the profile, and here if you scroll down, you will have the library like the history or playlist or everything, right? But instead of that profile, if you want the library option, then you need to simply tap and hold on to your YouTube and then go for app info. Once you're here on the app info, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and tap on uninstall updates. Once you've uninstalled the updates, then your updates will be removed and you will have the oldest version of your YouTube, and you will get the library option. So that's how you can fix your YouTube library option not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.